Today, I would like to introduce our magnet system. This is our big demo kit. It includes version 3 and version 4. This part, version 3 is our old type. It was developed since 2017. This one is 24 voltage. This is 48. There are differences on their size. Version 3 is big, and version 4 is slim and smaller. Also, this cost lower than this. But we make it with a private design. We made it the unique design on the clip is for double safety. So when you install in the ceiling, we no need to worry it will drop down because it's for double safety clock. And also version 4 here is also for double safety. Version 3 it supports track dimming, 1 to 10, DALI, Wi-Fi, Zigbee dimming. I can show you this one. This demo kit is only a bright dimming. Okay. For this track, some clients who don't want to put the driver in the ceiling, so we make a design on the driver. We can put the driver in the rail. So in the future, if you find the driver is broken, you can take it down and change another one. It's very easy and convenient. But now I want to introduce you the version 4 because it's our new type and the most popular product. This one with slim design, it costs less than version 3, so price much competitive than before. Version 4 track, it has different types. For example, you can see the wing of the track is different, the having the normal track, so you can put it in the ceiling and the plastic on the track. Also, it has different lengths. You can choose them from our price list. Here, the unique design on the surface reflector, we have different color for option. Also, the finish color we can do white and black. Now it's just see black for the demo kit, and this one is new and very beautiful. It has 2 types. The smaller one. Here has a big one. Suspension. Version 4 also support warm dimming and also support 1 to 10, DALI, Zigbee, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth control. So this is our new demo kit for marketing. You can choose. Okay, thank you.